Hi, I want to show you how to install and set up the Oracle Cloud command line. An easy way to get the command line running is by using Cloud Shell directly on the web console. Click on the Cloud Shell icon and a small virtual machine will load with a lot of tools already installed. You can close, start, maximize and minimize the web terminal, run the CLI to get the help message, and also get your tenancy name with OCI, OS, NS, get. There you go. Let's exit the terminal as I'm going to show you how to install the CLI in a virtual machine in the cloud. Mine is already running in Oracle Cloud, but it will work the same way on your own computer. For more information about Cloud Shell, you can go to the documentation. I put the link on the description. You will find how it works and tools already installed and much more information. Time to check the CLI documentation. In Developer Resources, Developer Tools, SDK and CLI, you will find the overview. Click on Quick Start to find the installation steps. For Linux, Mac and Unix, copy this command. There are steps as well for Windows users. During the setup, we are going to need some IDs for user, tenancy and compartment. Keep notes on a separate file as you will need them very soon. Go to Profile, User, and in your user details click on the link Copy. Paste the value in your notes, and now let's do the same with the tenancy. Go to Profile, Tenancy, and do the same. Copy and paste the value in your notes. Let's get the last ID for compartments. Go to the menu, scroll down till the end, then Identity, Compartments. If it's your first time in the cloud, you will have only one compartment called Root. I have so many, so for me it's a little bit more complex, but it's the same thing. Copy and paste the ID from the details. Let's SSH into our Linux instance and paste the command from Quick Start to start the installation process. Default values are fine. Directory for your installation, intro. The directory for your executables as well, good by default, intro. And the same for the scripts, so you can click intro as well. Finally, it asks for packages for advanced functionality. We are okay with for now. Then the download and the installation process will go ahead. Some Python magic. Next question are to modify path and RC files. As well, values by default are good, so click intro. Now let's check the version of the installation and make sure that everything works. OCI v 2.9.9. Next step is to set up the command line. Type OCI setup config. Default value is good. Time for our IDs. First of all, compartment ID. Copy and paste. Tenancy ID now, so copy from your notes and paste. And then it will ask for the region. For me, I will use UK London, but pick the one that suits you. Next question, I want the tool to generate my RSA key pair. Intro, that's good. Then intro to all the questions. All the default directories are good for all the API keys that are going to be generated. Perfect. Now we have the path of the public key right here. Let's print it in the console and copy all the characters, but make sure you don't select any spaces, just the characters. Let's go over the console. Profile, User, and scroll down. You will find the API keys section. Add public key. Paste the value of your public key and click Add. Your fingerprint will be visible, and now you can use the CLI to talk to Oracle Cloud. Let's check that. Again, OCI, OS, NS, get to get the name of your tenancy, and it works. That's good. Let's do something else. Let's list all my running instances on my compartment. Okay. For that, OCI compute instance list, and then the filter life cycle state and running, and execute. Oops, we are going to see an error, and the error is that it's asking as well for the compartment. We also save that value in our notes, so it's time to use it. Same command, OCI compute instance list with the filter, and then we add compartment ID with our compartment OCID value. A little tip, I usually export a variable C with the compartment ID. That makes the command so much easier. So OCI compute instance list, also the filter, lifecycle state, running, and then -C with the $C for the environment variable. And there you go. OCI command line is very useful for automation and to configure some of the services like Kubernetes clusters and manage your object storage. So enjoy it. Thank you for watching.